Without a doubt, the most popular filling for a bagel would have to be cream cheese and smoked salmon. But I'm going to take that concept and make it even better by adding some dill pickles, and to make it extra creamy, a delicious hummus. So for the pickles, you'll need some cucumbers. I've peeled them, salted them for about 20 minutes, given them a really good wash, and then pat them dry. And this takes out all of the excess water. Now to make it into a really quick pickle, I'll add some sugar to a bowl, along with some vinegar. I'm just using some white wine vinegar, but you could use some cider vinegar, and some mustard powder. You can also just use Dijon mustard. Give that a really good mix. And to this, I'll add lots of dill. So finely chop the dill, pop that into our pickling liquid, and then in with our cucumbers. Now give that a really good mix. Let's start assembling our delicious hummus and smoked salmon bagel. Just pop your hand on top of it and just cut straight through. Okay. And now for our fillings. We'll start with some cream cheese. And I like the cream cheese because it's mild in flavour. And I think what makes this a really special bagel is the hummus. Now I'm using a hummus that's made in the traditional way, so chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice. This one's super creamy, so it's not just a dip, it's a fantastic spread for a sandwich or a bagel just like this. So we're going to add our hummus all the way around. Fantastic. On with some smoked salmon, and we'll just drape that onto the cream cheese. And that combination of the pickles, smoked salmon, hummus and cream cheese, it's just the best. And a lot of these ingredients I actually always have on standby in my fridge, like the hummus and the smoked salmon, because it makes the best lunch or a brunch over the weekend. So we'll sandwich that together, and I'll cut that in half. We'll just carefully place that on there. Oh, look at that. This is like the ultimate bagel right here. Not just smoked salmon and cream cheese the classic way. Add that hummus, add the pickles, and you've got one seriously delicious bagel.